am Rosann Kramer, owner of Runway Auto. We take care of you and your car after an accident. Today I want to tell you how we work with all insurance companies to make sure your vehicle is returned to pre-accident condition without costing you extra money. One of our customers had a repair that required some welding, which requires the battery to be disconnected. Anytime you disconnect a battery on a newer vehicle, that means after 2010, a post-repair scan is required to reset all electrical components. We did the scan and submitted the supplement to the insurance company. They refused to pay for the scan. I called them to explain why it's required by the manufacturer of the vehicle. I also emailed them the documentation they requested. I had to call again a week later after not hearing anything and spent about 30 minutes on the phone with 3 different people, and the insurance company finally agreed to pay for the scan. Many shops would just not do the scan and also not inform the customer. Runway Auto takes the time for the extra phone calls and emails to get the insurance company to pay to put your vehicle in pre-accident condition. Rosann Kramer, Runway Auto, collision repair specialists that take care of you and your car.